Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes, and I work as a consultant on the development team at Analysis Prime. And today I want to talk about one of the new quarterly enhancements for Excel Add-in. And this will be for quarter 2 of 2025. And in this release, SAP has added a workbook preferences panel that you can use to set your workbook preferences. And to get to that workbook preference panel, you just need to, in the ribbon, select Workbook here after you've signed in. And as you can see, here's the preferences for the workbook. Now, to see what each one of these preferences addresses, if you select the question mark here, you'll receive a drop-down. It tells you what the default is and the other choices that you can choose from. And same with here. And if you want to change those default preferences, you just select the down arrow and then you can select them here.